morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Feeling great and really excited about this event. A warm welcome to Aonic Propels, launch of the first authorized DJI Enterprise Service Center in Malaysia, and to unveil to you the latest product from DJI Enterprise, which is DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise Series. Today is the double excitement day. One more big applause for yourself, ladies and gentlemen.
Now today we are here to witness the very first Aonic Propel event. So we started, for those that are familiar with us, in 2016. And we started as a very small company, just 3 of us. DJI, being the company, the huge giant billion-dollar company that they are, they trusted us with the distribution rights for Malaysia. And this is a very big kind of support from them.
DJI was founded 16 years ago based on a dream. What kind of a dream? A dream that drones can make the thrill of flying accessible to anyone and everyone. And now the dream already come true. And now the drone technology is still continue to develop.
Malaysia Drone Technology Action Plan 2022 to 2030. So the drone industry in Malaysia is expected to generate over 50 billion ringgit in GDP contribution and generate jobs opportunities, 100,000 across various sectors.
Once again, congratulations to Aonic. The appointment certifies that Aonic is able to provide expert knowledge and services to enterprise customers, maintenance support. Is everybody in 1, 2, 3? Come on, let's press the button! Ladies and gentlemen, everybody come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, let's reveal it! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This marks the official launch of DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise